Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: compass, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, rear fog light, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.